Ka Shillong Arm Fight 2023 All India Arm Wrestling Championship ka baar sngi kalapoi no siya kabakod ha ka arpway tarik no pra ha ususutham auditorium Shillong. Ha ka ni ka rinsan ya kunkti la sakhi ya ka jingwan ya shimbanta kinong ya kai na kaleng kari. La penlong ya ka ni ka rinsan ya kunkti da ka jingatray lang ka People's Federation of Arm Wrestling India, Bouncer Association of Meghalaya BAM, Bat ka Trailang Welfare Society TWS, Bat ka Balakarshan Pisa da ka Tanat Sports and Youth Affairs Department, Jong ka Sorkar Jilla. Umintri rang ba ka Jilla o Konrad ki Sangma, ulasaki ya ka ni ka rinsan ya kunkti, kuntup ya ka Jong ki Shinrang bat kuntay. Ha ka men's category udupanga match na Assam, ulalong uladu katba na ki kuntay ka Yogesh Chaudhary na Haryana kadai ka ladu. Katba ha ka sitting category ni ka benta kinong ya kai ka Bakarpang, Hubert L. Nonglan, Graham Jones Kharbani bat unami nang San Kupar ke Warjeri, kilawan ningkong baar bat balay, katbada ki bayeng pat lawan ningkong ujon borlang pingrop, baar nihi lamare, bat balay umar elat kanay. Kani kaju kajinga kop kalapenlong ru yaki kentay.
I'm very happy to see that arm wrestling is also now on the map, and I hope that in the future also we will see these programs continuing in our state. On a lighter note, let me also share with you that there was a time when I was in St. Edmund's School in class 6 and 7 and 8, and we used to do arm wrestling all the time. And we used to always compete, and it was kind of a cultural thing that happened in the schools, and I'm sure most of our Shillong students, whether girls or boys, I'm sure that you have experienced and gone through that phase. To the extent, let me share this with you, and this again is not trying to bring down anybody, to the extent that I remember that after I started practicing arm wrestling here, of course in a very amateur way, and I was always beaten by everybody else, to be frank. I never could make it. But then I went to Delhi after that, and in class 10 I was in Delhi, and you won't believe it. So when I reached Delhi, I beat everybody in school in Delhi. So again, this is not about Northeast versus North India or Central India, but I'm just telling you the experience that I had. It's true. Let's be, that our children and our people have a certain strength. We have a certain advantage in certain ways. And I feel that arm wrestling could be one area where our youngsters can really shine. And therefore, when this proposal came from June Star, who's a very, very close friend of mine, we have always supported him in different programs he had. We've supported our players when they went to World Championship. We had supported them that time also. Even in this program, about 33 lakhs we have given from the sports department and from the Chief Minister's Fund. And continuously we are supporting all kind of sports programs.
I think they deserve a big round of applause for the fantastic organization and the amazing opening and closing ceremonies. Closing we are yet to see, but what the opening ceremony that we saw yesterday, we got to see that Meghalaya has so much talent.